Multiple people were injured after two trains collided at high speed in Austria, leaving carriages overturned with passengers trapped inside. The smash happened in the northern town of Kritzendorf and at least 15 people were hurt, 6 seriously, according to local reports. Shocking images show the carriage lying on its side as emergency service workers surrounded the vehicle. There were reportedly 30 ambulances and 10 police cars at the scene of the accident. Two rescue helicopters also descended on the area after passengers suffered head and back injuries, according to an Austrian media outlet. A passenger train and a transit train were involved in the smash. Austrian Federal Railways spokesman Roman Hahslinger said, according to OI24. An S40 high-speed train collided with a Rex train on a 4-track section laterally. At least 2 double-deck coaches of the regional train fell over. Franz Resperger, a spokesman for the Austrian fire service, said the exact cause of the crash is now under investigation. The train line was closed between St. Andrä-Wördern and Klosterneuburg-Weidling with replacement buses in operation.